What? Oh.
Plenty to try.
All right.
Plenty
Didn't
to try.
know.
All right.
Any on the others?
Let's see. Nah, you got some that's still too small.
Okay.
Well, you gotta check them every other day because you don't want to get too big.
Right.
Make them tough.
It's time for that Swiss chard to come off. It looks like someone want to bite on it. Something on to chew on it. We're going to have to get that on off. I'm so excited.
Excited enough to try it fresh off?
What?
Yeah.
No.
One for me. And one for you. We're going back old school. Oh, fumble.
That's okay. I'll get it. Where'd it go?
More seasoning.
Ew, rah rah. Yuck.
More seasoning, baby. All right.
Okay. You want to go in the house and rinse them off?
I do.
Please do. Okay.
Rinse them off. I couldn't take extra
Wait, he got
pictures
okra in one hand, pizza in the other.
today. One. Hey, it's all about
Stop,
balance.
bro.
Everybody.
He about to
Balance.
fall.
You're trying to get
Get down,
in the
Roser.
picture. All right, here we go.
Okay.
It's crunchy.
It's
It's
crunchy.
tasty, actually.
Is it?
It's not bad.
All right.
That was for me. That's one for you. For the brew.
No, not for the brew. Look at him.
It actually may be better fresh.
Just right off.
Right off than boiling, because boiling make it a little slimy.
But I like them pickled.
You do? Let's see how much you like it.
Mm-mm.
Hmm?
Mm-mm. That's not pickled.
No, I'm talking about like this.
I don't like it like that.
How you know you never had it like
I
this?
don't want it like that.
Not bad, family. Love you. Get in the garden.
Grow
to
your groceries. Bruiser. Oh my gosh. Let Bruiser get a little airtime. Hey, buddy. Oh,
All right,
okay.
peace.
That's all he needs.
We out.